Hi guys, today we are going to be simplifying fractions. I've got a question here with me from Zimsek. The question paper is of November 2018, paper 2, question number 1C. The question is here, it reads, express x minus 3 O over x plus 2 minus x plus 2 O over x plus 3 as a single fraction in its lowest terms. So from the question there, we can see that we have two separate fractions. The first one being this one, x minus 3 over x minus 2, and the second one being this one, x plus 2 over x plus 3. So these two fractions are separate. They need to be combined so that they can become one, which is a single fraction. Right. So here is the solution. The first step is to find the lowest common multiple of the denominators, which will come as a product of both the denominators, which is x minus 2 and the x plus 3, which will then be x minus 2 in brackets and then x plus 3 in brackets. Right, so then to simplify this thing, we take the denominator of the first fraction and input it into the lowest common multiple, which will then give us the x plus 3, because the x minus 2 will cancel the x minus 2, leaving us with x plus 3. Then the x plus 3 will multiply the numerator x minus 3. So it will then look like this one, which is x minus 3 times x plus 3. Then minus, which is here. Then we take the numerator, the x plus 2, then we place it here. And then we take this denominator, the x plus 3. And then the x plus 3 is then input into the lowest common multiple. And then it will cancel this x plus 3. And then we will be left with the x minus 2. And then the x minus 2 will then be multiplied with the x plus 2, this numerator. There is nothing that is getting cancelled here. Everything is there. So it will then read x minus 3 in brackets, multiplying x plus 3 in brackets, minus x plus 2 in brackets, multiplying x minus 2 in brackets, all over x minus 2 in brackets, and then x plus 3 in brackets. Right, and then we now have to simplify these brackets. It is a multiplication of a bracket by a bracket. Right, to expand the x minus 3 by x plus 3, it is done like this. We take the first term in the first bracket, we multiply it by the second bracket, which is the x plus 3, and then we take the last term in the first bracket, which is minus 3, and then we multiply it with the last bracket, which is the x plus 3. Right, if we simplify this, it will yield x squared minus 9. And then the right hand side, of course, if you simplify it using the same method, it will then yield x squared minus 4. Then the common mistake here is that mostly we forget about the negative, or let me say the negative multiplies only the first term in the second bracket. Right, let me put it clear here. Right, so if we simplify we said that the second part, the right hand side of the negative sign, it will come out as x squared. It will simplify to x squared minus 4. And then we multiply that right hand side with the negative. It will then read as x squared, negative x squared plus 4, which will then come out as x squared minus 9 for the left hand side of the negative sign, and then negative x squared plus 4, after making sure that the negative is multiplied with every term that is in the simplified bracket. Then next, after that, we cancel out the x squared because the first x squared is positive and the next x squared is negative, which is this one and this one. So it will then be x squared minus x squared, which will then reduct to 0. Then after that, we simplify negative 9 plus 4. Negative 9 plus 4 will give us a negative 5. The denominator is left like that as the lowest common multiple of the two denominators until the final answer, which will then give us negative 5 all over x minus 2 in brackets by x plus 3 in brackets. Right, then I have put out the solution in a continuous form so that the working is seen vividly. So here is the fact which I was explaining about, that this negative is got to multiply every term in this bracket. So after multiplying with this negative, it will then be negative x squared plus 4. So this is where you have to be very, very careful when working out this kind of fractions. Thank you. If it helps, please comment in the comment section. If you need help on other topics, you can always ask in the comment section. Thank you.